Well, welcome back. You've done really well to get this far, and we're hopefully at our last step. Once you've had a bit of a look over it and you've assessed that, you know what, I'm kind of happy with it. It's always nice to see the end of a project. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go into your file. We're going to go into export and go into media. And for a PC, this is a Control M if you want the shortcut, and I would assume it's Command M if you've got a Mac. So we'll go ahead and press that. So you can see here that we can choose a number of different things. I generally tend to use the format H.264, and I'll go and have a look at the presets that are offered. Now the reason I probably go ahead and do this is I find that this gives me the best sort of output. And the question you should ask is, which footage did I actually use? Did I use the 480 or did I use the 720? If you're unsure still, probably go back into the 480 and I would choose the SD wide. Now you change that output name as well, so we're going to call this afternoon access, a current affair project by your name, and you can go ahead and save it like that. And you want to just go ahead and probably leave everything as is, unless you want to change it, of course, and you know what you're doing. And then you just go ahead and you can press export. It will take a few moments to export the entire video. You can see the estimated file size. File size in this case is going to be 160 megabytes. So once it's exported, all that really needs to be done is to be uploaded to OneDrive and then shared accordingly. So if you wanted to know a bit more about those instructions, just go ahead and head to the OneNote page where it has online learning, and it's the last sort of step in the sequence. And that's it. Thank you very much.